Hello, here's another problem. 9 to the power of square root of m is equal to square root of 27 to the power of m. M is what? So here's the solution. Let's write it down. 9 to the power of square root of m is equal to square root of 27 to the power of m. Now first is 9 to the power of square root of m. We are going to write 9 in terms of 3, and that is 3 squared. 3 squared is equal to 9. So we write 3 squared whole to the power of square root of m. Now on this side, square root of 27 to the power of m, we can write it as 27 to the power of n whole to the power of 1/2. And that is 3 to the power of, here, power to a power, there will be multiply. So that is 3 to the power of 2 square root of m is equal to, same here, power to a power will be multiply. So that is 27 to the power of m times 1, that is m over 2. So we have 3 to the power of 2 square root of m is equal to 27 to the power of m over 2. And then on this side, 27, we can write it e tens of 3. So that is 3 to the power of 2 square root of n is equal to 3 to the power of 3. We know that 3 to the power of 3 is equal to 27. You just write 3 times of 3, so they have the same basis. And don't forget the power. Whole to the power of n over 2. The next is, let's multiply a power to power. So that is t to the power of 2 square root of m is equal to 3 to the power of lip ends m, that is 3m over 2. Now they have the same basis, 3 and k. And that means we can equate the power according to the rule. According to the rule, if a to the power of b equals a to the power of c, we can write it as b equals c. So it's just the same here. So we have 2 square root of m equals 3m over 2. And then next is, in order to remove the square root, we are going to square both sides. So this would be, here the square root will be cancelled. While the 2, when we multiply twice, so that is 2 times 2, that is 4, and then times m, or 4n, equals km over 2 squared, that is equal to 9m squared over 4. And then next is, we can cross multiply. So 4m times 4, that is 16m, equals 9m squared times 1, that is 9m squared. And then here, we then take 9m squared to the other side, and that is 16m minus 9m squared equals 0. So this is a four-man equation. And then we get the common, and the common here is m. M times 16m divided by m, we're left with 16, minus 9m squared divided by m, we're left with 9m, equals 0. And then to continue, for this, we can have two equations. First equation is n, this is equal to 0. And this is the value for our first m. Second equation is 16 minus 9m equals 0. And then we are going to take 16 for the other side, and that is negative 9m equals negative 16. And then let's divide both sides by negative 9, no concern. And the remaining is m is equal to negative 16 divided by negative 9, that is positive 16 over 9. And this is our second n. First m is 0. Second m is equal to 16 over 9. And that's all for today. Hope you enjoy this video. For more videos, subscribe to Fun with Maths.